Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in my bathroom and we're gonna do a little blow dry tutorial. I just got my hair done and we're gonna give myself like a really proper at-home blowout. So if you're looking to learn how to do a really good blowout that's gonna last you days and days and days, if you're like me, you only wash your hair once a week, you're gonna wanna hit the like, subscribe button, jump in, let's give it a good blow dry. Okay, so I always douse my hair with Bumble & Bumble hairdresser's oil. Just brushing that out. So my hair is like, I'd say 50-60% dry, just air dry. Normally I let it dry to about 60 to 75% dry. I'm just combing out any knots before we begin. Just gonna go in with Arnco Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. This is like a really good blow dry cream. No potty jokes. So realistically, I probably only used like a little squirt. It didn't need that much. And I'll be in. I'm gonna use my Shark. Love this thing. Turning it onto the kind of gun setting, I guess. Okay, so my hair is like 80% dry. I gave a good dose of this because it's heat protectant and it's also just like really smooths my hair out. It's good natural, not a natural, like a detangler. Okay. Just give my hair another little brush. And then I'm going to section my hair out because any good hairstyle needs to be sectioned. Claw clip. Putting my Shark blow dryer out to this guy and using the big round brush attachment. The best. As I recognize not everybody has this blow dryer, so if you don't, just use a big round brush. But I highly recommend you investing in a blow dry brush. It makes it so much easier. It's pretty idiot proof. And sectioning it out, giving it a good pull, and then rolling up so I get volume as well as just a nice sleek piece of hair. I'm grabbing about 1 inch, 2 inch sections of hair depending on. What I like about the Shark blow dry brush is that it's quite big so we can handle a little more hair. And essentially just repeating this process on the other side and every single little layer. A good pull and a good big round brush. Just gonna section my hair out and with the Velcro curler, tug and set it in place. I'm definitely not perfect at these, but just doing my best to keep it tight and then rolling up. So I'm using all sorts of different types and sizes of these Velcro rollers. I think that gives the most unique kind of body and movement for this blowout look. First section done. Okay, so just repeating this process with the next section of hair. I really just work from the bottom up because I find it the easiest and you want to spend the most time on that last section. And as you can see, all these different sizes of Velcro rollers based on their color. Some are 1 inch, some are 1/2 inch, some are 2 inches, some are 1.5 inches. Just gives a really cool look. And I know this looks time consuming, but I assure you it's not. Plus, if it gives you a hairstyle that's gonna last 5 to 7 days, I think it's well worth it. Okay, be Be back in 20. Okay, let's take these guys out. Look at how pretty. Just do a quick little show of the back. Okay, Kerastase the best. I like to really get it out in my fingers. And then just root it down. You have it, just a nice voluminous blowout that will last you all week. And just a moment for the back, see the movement, it's full and just beautiful. Okay, all done. Quick little blowout at home. Let's see how many days it lasts, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.